I have to. Why? Because it's easier for me to live this way. If it's he allowed you to. Yeah.
you done?
Almost.
Well, look at my work here.
Well,
I found outside. It's green, it's blue. What's so weird? You'll see it. See? See, Chris?
no. No.
Yes. No.
Yeah, one garbage can's full, dude. I'll smash it down.
No.
I'm gonna smash it way down. I will. We gotta go all the way till Tuesday morning. Get in here. Sit down. You guys are gonna score, dude.
How are these guys going to sleep? Look at chaos. People. How did I show you my earthing?
When I was laying right there, and you showed me right there.
Did Chris give you that?
No, I'm Chris.
No, that.
Oh yeah, him. Yeah.
There's two Chris's, but he moved to this side.
I know.
So we can't see him ever again.
Yeah, you can.
No, I can't. How can I see him if it's Payette from Nissa? It's too far away.
This is 3 towns over.
3 towns over?
3 towns over.
The what? The city?
Please don't leave that in here.
Okay, why? Or you'll suck it up?
No.
Or you'll tell me?
No, I would slip on it.
Slip? How
Yep.
slip?
Like that. Yep. So don't leave that in here.
Okay. Because that will be dangerous.
Yep.
Even if you put it in your whole, this
No,
mug.
because that is not for that.
Who's here?
Don't know.
Well, nobody burned. What is this?
Battery.
Oh, battery?
For my camera.
Oh, for your camera?
Yep.
Okay, I'll put this away for you.
Alright, good for you.
Okay. Hold this, Orby, till I get back. Oh, it's stuck. Chris.
Here, I got it.
Oh, no, you can hold it. I need to keep my pants up. Look out,
Careful.
I've hurried.
Alright.
Thank you.
I need you to get off. Please and thank you. That I need you to get off and away from this room for a little bit. Because that way you can actually go in the living room and watch your precious football.
I'm not watching football because I like Nana's favorite team and Papa's favorite team.
What used to say Broncos?
Yep, and Seahawks.
Which that's this Papa's favorite team.
What?
This Papa you're living with.
I know, but I hate Seahawks sometimes.
I hate them more than you ever will.
How? What? How many hates do you know?
A lot.
How many?
A lot. Too many to count.
Why?
I don't like the Seahawks because your Papa worships it or whatever. So, yeah, he ends up liking them more than he likes me. So,
Why?
I don't know.
Hey.
But when it comes to me doing dishes and cleaning up the yard, he loves me.
How does he love you? Cleaning up the dishes, cleaning up your bed, because he paid you money all the time.
Nope, just because I do whatever he says.
Nope, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Well, you did it when you dumped the
Well, I thought he was telling you no, because he was facing you and the TV at the same time.
How?
Let's just say I know some things. So.
I miss my dad.
I don't.
Why do you don't miss my dad? That's sad. That you don't miss my dad.
Yeah!
What, Papa?
Needed that.
We won?
So gay. I hate football.
Look at that. Look at that.
Football's for fags. I hate football. I hate football in general. But I don't like...
Seahawks have not still got a point.
Good for them.
Good for them what?
Good for them.
Why?
I don't know.
Told you they run, Seahawks run so fast. Yeah.
Apparently you haven't seen me run. That's what's in floor hockey tournament.
Well,
Which is I got badly damaged.
No, I got Puma shoots that are really super fast. I have them.
Those are Pumas. Those are not cheetahs.
They're cheetahs.
No, they're Pumas.
I know they're Pumas. They say Puma on it.
Can't wait to relax.
I can't wait to relax.
Wow, that felt good.
What?
Pop my neck.
I had a kink in my neck like a little while ago. I kinked it out and it hurt so bad, but it felt so good.
So you popped your own neck, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It would hurt for 5 seconds and it feels good after that.
Yes. So good. Why did you put your cheap blanket right there?
That's not my cheap blanket. That's my... Nope, get off.
I'll get off.
Because...
I'm gonna relax with you.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
You're going to relax with Papa.
No, I'm not.
Yep.
Okay. not because I'm wearing mismatch, so don't even compare. I'm wearing mismatch.